Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for VIP cross stitch, and we have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches to look at. So this is the first one, and I will get it out of the bag. That way we won't have so much crinkles. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Just a beautiful room. I can't imagine getting dressed in a room like that looks so beautiful. And all the beautiful clothes and all the beautiful, like, Victorian type items. I'm trying to hold it really still. Some days that doesn't happen. It does have a product number at the bottom. It is from VIPCrossStitch. Let's take a look at the pattern. If I can get it undone out of there. My goodness. It's all wrapped up. Alright, this has 23 colors. Nice big pattern. Very easy to read. If you want, you can blow it up. That's up to you. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. And it's not very big. It does have 23 colors, and it does show the colors going down the side. Very nice big key where you can see the DMC number, the symbols, and the number on the thread card. And it doesn't look too confetti. I'll have to see it when it's in a, what do you call it, in the pattern on the canvas. Sometimes it looks one way this way, and then if you look at the canvas, then yeah, sometimes things change. But we'll see. This paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's see, it has no 310. It has 823, 939, 3777, which is kind of a, looks like a burnt red, if you will, and no 3865. So let's take a look at the colors. Just thought this was a beautiful, warm looking picture. Whoops. Sorry, you knew I had to hit that, right? And there are 2 needles right here. One looks like he's escaping, so we're just going to push it back. Let's look at those threads. They put all the threads on the thread card. Kind of shake it out so it's not so crunched looking. Look at those tans and rusts and just antique looking colors. Over here you have some dark brown and like a gray brown, if there's such a thing. Just beautiful. And there's your 823. So there's a lot of that. Just beautiful. Is that? Yep, that's 550 purple. I didn't see that the first time. Sorry. You know I love that 550 purple. Is that, no. 350 is that number. I thought maybe it was 321. It's kind of got an orange tint to it. But I do like this rustish color red that I was talking about earlier. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. And it is an 11 count. If I didn't say that, I'm so sorry. It's called, hang on, Corner Home. I'm like, okay. It was $9.07. So let's get everything out of the way. So move over. Let's take a look at the canvas, right side up preferably, right? So it does have some big areas, which I could see that, but and it's not real confettied at all. So I don't know how much of this detailing will show up. So we'll see. And there's not a lot of colors, you know, where there'd be like 2 or 3 in the same number sequence of colors. It is not serged all the way around. It does have a bit of a salvage edge here. So let's see how big it is. The actual canvas is 51. So they gave you an extra centimeter because there was a salvage edge on that side. And it's a little over 38 centimeters or 15 inches. The actual picture is, we'll call it at 11.5 inches or 29 centimeters by 39 centimeters or about 15 and a half. Did I say 13? Nope. It is 11.5. 11.5 by 15.5. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, very nicely printed. Very nice canvas. Doesn't feel like, you know, the real heavy canvas. It is a little stiff, but I just crunch it in my hands. And after you've worked on it for a while, then, you know, it starts to soften up. But this is a thinner canvas, so I like that. They're so much easier to work on than those terribly stiff ones. I just can't deal. But yeah, very nice. Beautifully printed. Just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Got my sweatshirt on today, but it's getting in my way. And this is the second one. So we'll see how big is this one. It is called Garden Villa. It is the same size. It's a 50 by 40, and it was $8.73. So both these kits are under $10, which is nice. I just loved all the blue sky and that house. You'll see here. So get it out of the plastic. It also has a product number down here, DIY Cross Stitch. Look at that picture. Is that not gorgeous? Yeah, I'm going to frame all the pictures because I think the pictures are gorgeous. Some of them don't have good pictures, but this is a good picture. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Very easy to see. I like the little bridge and the little pond or whatever. There's even a waterfall. And then the house in the background, I like that stucco look. Just very pretty. You can take the bridge and stand by the river or the pond or whatever it is and look at all the beautiful flowers and all the beautiful landscaping. Gorgeous. See if we can get this out any easier. Oh, hey, it came out much faster and easier. Okay. Product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. This is going to be a little bit of a confetti hell. Yeah, I can see that coming. It does have 25 colors and the color of the threads running down. So that's pretty. And very easy to read, nice and big. This might be blown up a little bit more, but I can see it, I can read it myself, but for others, you know, you might have to blow it up or look at it through a magnifying glass. It's just a little bit small for my taste, but I can deal with it if I had to. Let's take a look at the colors. Hang on. Shaking will be involved. Now this thread card, hang on, has a sticker on it to match the canvas and the paper. Paper and canvas do match, which is very nice, but look at those blues. Can you ever? And then there's purple. Purple, purple, purple. It's probably my 550 purple. I don't know. Might not be. I've been wrong before. And it looks like, I didn't look at the colors. Yep, 550 purple. And see, that doesn't even look like purple on the thing. No, 310. It does have 823, 939. No 3371. It has 3865 and B5200. So that's your two whites right here. It kind of makes this look like a palish, I mean super pale green next to that white. And people say that the 3865 is like a blue tone. It doesn't look blue. I'm sorry. But I'm just calling it the way I see it. Very, very nice. Beautiful blues. It's kind of a purple blue. Like, I don't know. It's weird. It's kind of gives you the hint of gray, but it's not. Try to get the light up a little bit. And some nice browns. So, yeah. And that even looks like 310 black, but it's 939 here at 16. All right. Let's roll that up. So, oh, my nose. I've been out in the weather. Good gravy. Let's take a look at the canvas. Well, it's very well printed. Don't see any smearing. There are two needles right here. Nice big key. Very easy to read, but it is going to be one confetti thing after another. You got trees, you got flowers, and then you got a house, and you got water. The water and the houses are about the only consistent thing I can see in here, but otherwise it's pretty confettied. And this is a stiffer canvas than the last one. You can see how stiff it is. And kind of a thicker canvas. Let's see what size it is. There's no salvage edge. There's about a 2-inch border all the way around, which is nice. I like to have a little bit of leeway when you clean it, you know, and take all the ink off. And that way you've got wiggle room to put it in a frame. So it's 19.5, which is 49.5 by, a little over 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4. Actual picture is 15.5, or 39, a little over 39 centimeters, by 29.5, or a little over 11.5. So not very big, but yeah, yeah. Don't know where I'd start with this, but it's a gorgeous picture, it really is. But you do have some big areas. I'm gonna sneeze. Hang in there. So, big areas help. I don't know if I would go and do those first and then just come back and do all the confetti, or where I would just start. So hopefully it turns out as pretty as it looks in the picture. I don't know about detailing. I got nothing. I just don't know. These are trees right in here, and then the house is over here. Somewhere. It's there. But very easy. I got too close, sorry. Easy to read symbols, but there's a lot of it. Yeah. Now VIP only has stitching. They have free shipping over $69 and a separate Joy Sunday section. They have cross stitch in pre-stamped and counted. They have beaded embroidery, regular embroidery. They do custom cross stitches, and they do have tools and craft for all those things. So do check them out. I'm not sure what kind of specials they're running for Christmas. There is a 7% discount code down in the description, and if there's any specials that I haven't mentioned, I will put them in the description below. Thank you, VIP Cross Stitch, for sending me these lovely, beautiful, beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.